video shout out goes to Moondolls from 𝐃𝐨𝐫𝐤𝐲 and 𝕓𝕦𝕤𝕚𝕚𝕣𝕠 for all commenting. I get wings today, smiley face, happy noises. Hey guys, welcome back to PerkyTomato, and today I present to you episode 1 of my new mystery series, Sterces. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy, and also, happy early Valentine's Day. Okay, we have one goal, find the dorm building. Oh gosh, all the buildings look literally the same. Oh hey, I'm sorry to bother you. Do you know where the dorm buildings happen to be? Yeah, I do. Wait, are you a second semester transfer? Yeah, how did you know? You don't have a uniform on, that's why. Before you do anything, you have to get a uniform in that building over there. Oh, thank you. Yeah, no problem. And then the dorms are just straight down there and after your first left. Okay, thanks so much. Yeah, no problem. It all started... Wait, no. Ah, yes. Once upon a time, 3 kids attended the school of Sterces. Oh, and you can wear the sweater over the polo. Okay, thank you, ma'am. You're welcome, sweetheart. Change in the restrooms. Alright, I guess I don't look too shabby. Okay, so this must be where...
Oh my gosh, I've never seen her before. She must be new with those basic default uniform clothes. This should be fun. Wait, is she new? I don't know, maybe. You're no help. I'll just ask her myself. Hey, I just wanted to say I love your hair.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. Are you new here?
Actually, yeah, I just got here.
Oh, neat. Well, I'm Brennan, and this is Laura. We'd love to be your friends and all.
Alright, cool. I'll see you around.
Yeah, see ya. Bye.
They seem nice.
Oh, my sweet Ariana, you already look so great on my wall. Oh, I look great too? Yes, I know. I just wish I could sing like you. Oh, you think I'm good?
What the stink? Ain't nobody breaking into this dorm today. Da whoop! I have this pasta thing and I am not afraid to use it. Bruh, I'm your new roommate. I'm just trying to get in. Oh.
Yeah, this girl came up to me. She's like, I love your hair. It was so fake.
His name was Andrew.
And then
oh my gosh,
yeah,
and her name was Brennan, and she has the shy girl.
Anyways, that's how I ended
Do
up
not
here,
trust
trying
her.
to find out the right.
Yes, I'm so glad you did not fall.
Yeah, she was very
so
fake.
sad. How many new students actually trust her? Well, anyways, I'm gonna go get my stuff. Alright. Hey, Mindy, where do I put my clothes? Well, you don't wear much more than the uniform, but you can keep your stuff under here. Okay, thank you. Hey, do you mind if I add some decorations around here? Actually, I'd love that. I have to get to class, but you can work while I'm gone. Okay, got it. Ugh, where is she? I want my lunch. Boo! Ah, you scared me. That was the point. Okay, well, let's just go. That test made me starving. Boop. Oh, you dropped your papers. Oh, thanks. I must not have closed my bag. Yeah, no problem. Hey, what are these? Oh, those are just some old crossword puzzles I just started working on that I cut from some old newspapers. Oh, neat. Yeah, but they're pretty weird. Oh, this one says 𝕕𝕦𝕚𝕚𝕚. It kind of sounds like Yoda. I haven't finished it, but this completed one is a way for me love. Like, what does this mean? I am confusion. Maybe it's a hidden message. Yeah, maybe. Well, let's go to lunch. Hey, I'm back. We had a pop quiz. Like, why Mr. Johnson? Aw, that stings, but I'm sure you did really good. Thanks. Hey, these dishes really need cleaning. Well, it's my turn today, but you do them next. Yep, okay, sounds good. I am so dead right now. Hey, can I try some of your crosswords? Sure, they're on the desk under the pink book. Found them. I am so bad at crosswords. Oh, you'll be fine, Mindy. I'm sure... Oh, who's that? Wait, Mindy, did you forget about your class project with Andrew? Oh, snap, I totally forgot. Ugh, I'll get the door. Oh hey, sorry, I completely forgot about the project. No worries, I heard you yell from the hallway you're bad at crosswords. Yeah, awful. Ha, same. I have something that could solve them within seconds if you wanted to see it.
Ooh.
Oh my goodness, that would be so cool. The crosswords are pretty wonky. Many things are like a hidden message or something.
I do.
Ah, interesting. Okay, prepare to be amazed. So this is a robot I put together. Its name is Janice.
For real, Janice? What kind of
Interesting
name is
title
that?
choice. Yeah, anyways. Hey Janice.
Good evening, Sir Andrew. How may I assist you?
Sir Andrew, are you serious?
Hey, I made it. I can have it call me what I want. Alright, Janice, I'd like for you to solve these crossword puzzles for me.
Why, Sir Andrew? Don't you think you can do those on your own?
Don't give me that sass right now, Janice. Just do it.
Ugh, fine.
Thank you.
Beep, beep, ding.
See? And it's all finished. Next one.
Holy cow, that is so cool. Oh my gosh, I know, right? That is so neat.
There's gotta be some sort of message in these. Yeah, or maybe it's just a complete waste of our time. Come on, guys, I don't think this will take long. Let's try and sort these out.
Alright, and the last one goes here. Okay, let's read this all together now.
Okay, it may seem that I'm drifting away from you, love, but I'll always be in with the old. What the heck? Sounds like a love letter. Yeah, but whoever wrote this thinks they're Mr. Cool with these mumbo-jumbo cryptic words. I mean, it's the 21st century. Say it straightforward, why don't you?
Well, guys, it definitely is a phrase. I think we got ourselves a mystery. In with the old, in with the old. I feel like I recognize that term, like... Wait, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Yes, the name of that thrift store downtown.
Yes!
Woohoo!
Let's go to the thrift store first thing tomorrow. Yes, queen! What about the project? You can do it on your own, right? Sure. Goodbye. Psst, Marigold, you awake? Hey. Yeah, now I am. What do you want? I just wanted to say I'm super excited for tomorrow. Go to sleep. Fine. It's morning! Wake up! Okay, I am coming. Okay, you cannot look until I say so. Wasn't planning on it. Okay, open your eyes! Extravagant? In a good way? Maybe you could just ditch the fur. It's just a little much. No, that's the whole point of the outfit. The weekend is the only time I get to wear a non-uniform. Let me just have this day. Okay. Oh my gosh, is that a cardigan? Yeah. And when I feel like I was an old cardigan. No, stop, no. Ew, Andrew, why are you wearing the school uniform? You know it's Saturday, you don't have to wear it. Yeah, but I just like to wear it, so there. Oh, hi, Andrew. Oh, hey, Marigold, what are you doing here? Oh, I'm just waiting for Mindy. We're going to the thrift store. Want to come? Well, I would, but remember, she made me do the entire project on my own. Oh, yeah. Ugh, well, anyways, keep me posted on what happens. Will do. Well, here we are. Yeah, but where's the owner? I don't know. Maybe they're not even here right now. Oh, hello there, ladies. Do you need any help? Oh, we were just looking around. No, we weren't. Yeah, anyways, I was just wondering if there's like a hidden meaning behind the name of the store. Well, not that I know of, besides that we're like a thrift store, so it's like in the old. Yeah, hey, are you the original owner? Oh, no, but I believe the original owner was named Catherine or something. I don't know, I don't have her last name, sadly. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Feel free to look around some more. Yeah, okay, thank you. Yeah, no problem. Ugh, what a waste. I'm a browse. Yeah, same. Hey, this magnifying glass is pretty cool. I think I'll get it.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Hey, Marigold, thoughts on this dress? Ooh, that's kind of cute, but kind of old looking. Yeah, that's the point. I love old fashion. Oh, well, get it. Yeah, I will. It's only $3. Wow, that's really cheap. Can you buy this for me? I'm gonna go to the bathroom and I will pay you back. Sure. Did I hear buy? Oh yeah, I'm gonna get this dress and magnifying glass. This dress is really cheap. It's only $3. Oh yeah, it's been here forever. No one's wanted it, probably because it's so old. Yeah, I love old fashion, so I had to buy this. Oh, cool. Well, follow me to the register.
Okay, since you called me here, did you find anything out?
No, just dead end. But I found this cool dress. Do you like it?
I guess. Hey, what does that tag say?
What tag?
What? Oh, I'm sorry. I was just seeing something.
Well, I might as well check. Oh my gosh, there is a tag. How did you see that? I must have just seen the outline through the fabric. Marigold, can you read this? No, it's too small. Well, maybe this magnifying glass should work. Let's see here. Okay, it says, if lost, please call Catherine at this number.
Well, clearly it isn't anything. Wait, didn't that lady say the owner was named Catherine something? Oh my goodness, how could I forget? I don't know how you could forget. Well, anyways, when you left to go to the bathroom, she said this dress had been here forever. That's why it was only $3. Ooh, that's some real tea. Ugh, don't say that. That is so basic. Ugh, whatever. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's call.
Okay, so why do I have to call? 'Cause just do it already. I'm so excited. Ugh, fine.
Hello, this is Catherine Myers.
Oh, hi there. You don't know me, but I'm Marigold, and I'm here with a couple of people.
Oh, how can I help you?
Tell her we found crosswords that led up to her. Well, this might sound a bit odd, but we found some crosswords in old newspapers that I had, and they led up to you.
Did you say crosswords?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my goodness, you just brought back so many memories. My husband, who I was courting at the time, was in the war, and he communicated with me through crosswords. Now, I remember they couldn't send letters, but they could put articles in the newspapers for me to see. How did you get your hands on these newspapers?
Well, I don't exactly remember. Oh my goodness, wait, I remember. My dad gave me these when I was younger to do for fun. I just started working on a few, and they had strange phrases. I think my dad used to hand out the daily newspapers when he was little, and he kept some for himself. I think that's how I got the crosswords.
Oh, honey, did they happen to fill out a full phrase?
Yes, actually, but the N was in with the old.
Oh dear, it's so hard for me to remember. Oh yes, I used to have an old dress shop, and I remember I put my old dresses in the shop, and I'm sorry, that's all I can remember.
Oh, no worries. Thank you so much for the insight. I absolutely love your story.
Oh wait, now I remember. I don't have time to explain all of it, but the phrase "in with the old" meant "I love you." It was kind of an inside meaning.
Oh my goodness, that is so cool. Thank you so much for sharing.
Oh, you're so sweet. Well, I have to go. My nurse is here to take me to the cafeteria. Oh, well, bye.
Case closed.